You know what holds a lot of people back? A lot of people are afraid of what others think. Like, there could be people watching this right now who had an idea of starting a YouTube channel. Now, they don't have to be as ratchet as me and cuss this and talk on this, and they can make a YouTube channel about reviewing cars, or make a YouTube channel about being a chef. But there's certain people, they won't go ahead with that idea, because they're afraid of what people are gonna think and say about them. In this world, you just gotta not give a damn, I'm telling you. No matter what you do, someone will always have something bad to say. Or they're just gonna hate. They're just gonna hate. 100. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm from the street or something like that. Especially as I've got my eyes wide open as well. But I just noticed that, like, no matter what you do, someone's always gonna have something bad to say. Listen, I'm not even talking about people you don't know. I'm talking about the people them that you do know. That's what holds a lot of people back. They're afraid of what others are gonna think and say about them. You just gotta not care. There's this thing called glossophobia. It's the fear of getting up on stage and talking in front of a crowd of people. That stems from people being afraid of what others think. That stems from people being afraid of looking a certain way in front of others. If you didn't care what anyone thought about you, you would not be afraid of getting up in front of a bunch of people. Same thing with the YouTube thing. Man, gal are afraid of what people are gonna think about them if they make videos or whatever. You gotta not care. I've been in positions before where I've had work colleagues begging me, come to this Christmas work party. And I was gonna go, but at the last minute, I pulled out. Not interested. Next few days, oh, where were you, man? It was jumping. It was live, oh. You missed it. Now, I did not care that I missed it. I wanted to go to my bed, Listen, I was working every single day. The next day I had work and that, so I thought, it ain't even worth my time going home, getting dressed, blah, 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 back down to central London and then come home for 5 hours sleep. Nah. Now, they may have tried to make me feel bad. I didn't care anyway. But anyway, 3 weeks later, my videos got leaked at my old workplace. The whole construction site. That man there trying to mock me. These are the same people who are begging me, begging me to come to this Christmas party. At any given opportunity, people will snake you. People will throw dirt on your name. People will try to disrespect you. Now, I'm not saying don't have no friends. What I'm saying is, if you have a dream, you have an idea, you need to do what you want to do. Don't worry about what anyone thinks. Don't worry about what anyone says. I'm telling you. If you really are concerned of people's opinions and that, you're just going to put yourself in a flipping box your whole life. You're just going to be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. And really and truly, it's not the other people that's the problem. It's you. You are the problem. Those people are just highlighting your weakness, your flaw. One of my favorite quotes: if there's no enemy within, the enemy outside can't do us no harm. If you're a whole and strong person on the inside, you don't give a damn what anyone else thinks. Yeah, you acknowledge it. Okay, they like this, they don't like this, blah, blah, blah. But regardless, I'm doing what I want to do. It's my life. Born alone, die alone. The day I die, the day you die, the earth carries on going, you know. I know I like to think, oh, you know, if I pass away or whatever, everyone's just going to be standing around scratching their head with no purpose. Nah, unfortunately. I love to think it's a JY as well, but I'm sure I'm sadly mistaken. You and your brethrens, you all drive similar cars, Audi, BMW, Mercedes. That's cool. All you man's on 50, 60 grand a year. All you man live in a terrace 3-bed house. No one ain't got nothing bad to say about you. Get a job promotion. Start earning 120 grand a year. Start driving a Bentley. Buy a detached house in a nicer area. Naturally, you probably will be a bit more busier, so you can't spend as much time with your friends. They will automatically say, he thinks he's better than us now. He ain't got time for us. He's a sellout. You can't please anyone, so please yourself. Do what you want to do. Because I'm telling you, at the drop of a hat, people, they might not snake you or nothing like that, but they'll talk shit about you behind your back. Think about this right now. How many times have you been around someone you know who they have a friend or even their own mother and they're talking bad about their own mother or their own friend? This is supposed to be their friend, you know, and they're talking shite about their friend behind their back. So what do you think they're going to do to you? This is why, you can't be concerned about what others think about you, because at the end of the day, human beings, right, this is the thing, they try to act like they're loyal and that they ain't loyal. They are not loyal. They are not loyal. Like they oh yeah, ride or die. Ride or die where? I know girls that talk shit about their friends behind their back or... So, don't worry about no one's opinion. Do what you want to do. It's your life. Do you want to jump on YouTube? You want to do this, do that? Do it. Do it. Stop living in a box. You don't know what lifestyle is there waiting for you once you step out of your comfort zone. But it starts with that first step. The first step is to stop caring what people think and live your own life. Stop listening to other people's opinions. Like I always say, people are always going to tell you what they think. But what they think, 99% of the time, is irrelevant. 99% of the time, ain't going to help you. Stay wise.